So this is a non-runner, but it is a complete bike. I want to see if it cranks because I miss have keys, check the tank, carbies, and I need to get rid of the mist in there. New set of keys. Where did this come from? Oh, this snapped. Okay, we got power. That doesn't look right. Oh, this is fucked. Ah, yep, that's full of rust. Okay. There is a lot of rust. A bunch of screws are gone. Carbies definitely need to clean. New throttle cable. I might have to get a new CDI as well. I have a lot of hard work to do. But yes, thanks for sticking around.